Well, I broke down yesterday and I purchased the Bassani Road Rage 2. I was going to get the 3, but the 2 came in black and I thought that it looked better, so. But yeah, not only did I get that, I got the Fuel Pack 3 tuner. I was talking to people about the warranty and I just came to the conclusion, I bought this fucking bike, I'm gonna do what I want to it. All right. So no more sewing machine sound. Sweet. Been a lot of lizards out lately because of humidity. Make sure I got everything. Oh, I don't. I'm missing my wallet. I think recording. Yeah. All right, back on the bike. Good to go. Got the wallet. Also forgot my backpack. I got that. I'm not used to having to wear a backpack. My other bike had saddlebags, so I will soon be adding that to this bike. But for now, I got to either backpack or sissy bar bag, which I don't have either. So pretty much I have to backpack right now. It's funny watching the videos, people complaining about the horsepower from this thing. It's like, dude, you don't buy a Harley for the horsepower, all right? You don't even buy it for the torque. You just buy it to cruise. Simple as that. You trying to be a Valentino Rossi fast boy, then go get an R1 or something. I don't know what to tell you. Don't go on Harley-Davidson videos and try to shit on them. That's my rant. That's just annoying when I see that. And if you look at most of the Harley riders, especially the old ones, they were like either dirt bike riders or supermoto riders back in the day, so they know how to fucking ride. And I guarantee you, you put one of those guys on the similar performing bike as you, and they will fucking smoke you. I don't remember my last turn signals being this sensitive. The self-cancellation on it. I mean, they would self-cancel when I would turn, yeah, but not when I would change lanes. I don't know, I'm not complaining, I just gotta get used to it. And the old Spitfire sticker, haven't seen that in a while. Jesus, that truck barely fit. Alright, well, that was pretty painless. They didn't have exactly what I was looking for, but it'll do. Get the fuck out of here. Oh, so one of the things that I didn't mention earlier that I needed was a pick, just to get the exhaust gaskets out. And they didn't really have the pick that I was looking for, but they had like regular dental style picks, so I got a set of those. That should do it. Can't wait for my saddleman seat and my Bassani Road Rage. Yep. Ah, man, the fuel light just came on. Oh, that's cool. When it comes on, it automatically tells you your range. Woohoo! Fredericksburg. I think I can go down this way. I need to turn the GPS on. Fuck. I think I'm lost. I need to buy a damn compass, dude. I don't really know the direction I'm heading in. I know I need to be going northwest. And if I'm heading northwest, then I can start seeing landmarks that I recognize and be able to get home. But yeah, right now I don't recognize any of this. Fuck. Yeah, I'm just gonna pull in here real quick. USAA. Research Drive to the left. Okay, so that's research. That should be like where my work is. Oh, yeah, okay, I know where I am. Sweet. Nice, it's just starting to sprinkle. Perfect. My house is like right down the road. It's looking pretty ugly over there. I think it's gonna rain soon. Oh, come on, minivan.